or the flexibility on your legs, especially if the person is big, okay? Is it crucial that you get your leg over the shoulder? No. Is it crucial that you hold his upper back down? Yes. Okay, so I don't necessarily have to go over the shoulder. I do it because I'm used to it and I'm more flexible. But you could be here. Just climb your guard. 1, 2, 3, climb until you can hold his upper back down. Do like a leg curl with your legs. Okay? Because if I'm on his lower back, he can posture. If I'm on his upper back, posture. He's stuck. Just as long as you're holding this part down. So you don't necessarily have to come over the shoulder. It's good. I like doing it because it sets up a lot of other attacks. I mean, I could be here, and there's my arm lock right here. Okay? So, I'm here, just climb, 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 and just hold the upper back down. And then catch. Okay?